Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to move contacts from SIM card to phone storage or Google account in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to move your contacts from SIM card to phone storage, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your contacts app, and here just tap on three dots, and here you'll get settings. Just tap on it, and here select move contacts to the storage location, and then you must have to select the location or your sim if you want to move your contacts from sim. Here I'm going to move my contacts from my sim 1. Just tap on it, and here just select the contacts, and I'm going to select all, then tap on done. And here you have to select where you want to move your contacts, is your phone or Google storage option. I'm going to select phone. Once you have selected, so your contact will be moved, just have a move option, and you can see that it's moving, and that's all. So that's how you can easily move your contacts from SIM card to phone storage or Google account in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.